Hello you guys, so today we're going to do a Pacifica Voyager 2021 programming. So it's a 2020 but the last month of the year, so I'm guessing it's a 2021. Bypass cable will be very easy in this case. We're going to have a cover right on this panel. You're just going to take this cover, the star is right here. I'm putting the ADC2011 connected to an extension cord to the OBD, okay, and from that to the tool, okay. Now we're gonna start doing the job. So it's gonna be all key lost or add a key situations alike. When you come to the vehicle, we're just gonna put the hazard lights on, and we're gonna go to Chrysler. We're just gonna go manual in this case to make it easier. So we're gonna treat it like an all key lost. So let's say we don't have a key, so we're not gonna put the key in the ignition, we're just gonna press OK. So every time we're connecting with a star or a bypass, it takes a little bit longer to load this screen. By the way, if you guys want to do it with a 12.8, you're just going to need to take this entire thing out, put your fingers really low over there and disconnect the 12.8. The star is way easier using an extension cord for the OBD. After we get to here, we're just going to go control unit. And we're going to go read immobilizer password, and we're just going to hit OK. That thing will take like about 3 minutes sometimes it's faster. Other tool can pull the password faster than this, but you're just going to wait. Make sure your internet is good in order to do that, and we will see when it's having the password ready for us. So as you can see, we got the password. You could take a picture for that for your own reference. And then we're going to go to keyless systems. Make sure if it's an added key, just take the working key outside the vehicle, so it's not going to bother the signal. After we did that, then we have only the regular key that we want to learn with us. We're just going to go to key learning. It's going to tell us that there is 2 keys and we want to learn the next key. Password is already there. Just going to press OK. Having the key on our hand, holding it about here. It just wants us to hold it next to the push to start. So we're just going to hold it around this area. And then we're going to need to press and release the unlock. And the job is done. We just press the unlock near that area. It's going to say current number of key is 3, and as you can see, that key is already operating. We don't want to learn the next key, we're just going to hit no. This is how job is done for 2021 Voyager or Pacifica, whatever you want to call it. Thank you.